Today we're going to read The Busy Bird's Adventures, Little Bird Explores Bend by Kristen Riggle. The stars go high, the oceans go low, the busy birds fly around to and fro. With so many places to go and to see, they start from their hearts and then they fly free. Where are the busy birds now, you may ask? They're landing in the town of Bend, Oregon at last. We're here, the busy birds cheered. They smiled and they flapped and took out a big map. We're here at Drake Park, said Yellow Bird with a grin. There was planning to do for this trip to begin. The littlest bird was a curious one. The littlest bird, called Little Bird, just wanted to have fun. Little Bird could imagine so vivid and clear. Little Bird thought fun things and made them appear. Shut your eyes tight and imagine them too, having wings, happy things, or everything blue. Up and away, Little Bird flew. To the Cascade Lakes, where the kokanee play, Little Bird swam and had a swishy fish day. Up the lift on Mount Bachelor to the tippy top. Little Bird flew down so fast and even jumped a treetop. In the trees of Todd Lake, Little Bird found gray jays whooshing and whizzing around. Storing food for tomorrow while enjoying today, they made their work fun with a gray jay relay. To Tumalo Falls, hiking down to the base, passing wildflowers, moss, and fresh berries to taste. Climbing rocks at Smith Rock, way up to Monkey Face. Little Bird marveled, what a wonderful place. Then down the Crooked River, a small splash in the water. Little Bird squinted to see a mama and baby otter. Can you see the otter? From the top of Pilot Butte, a dazzling mountain view. Smells of juniper filled the air, and Little Bird went, achoo! A chatty rock chuck called Rosie named the peaks she could recall. They look so small from here, but up close they're mighty tall. Rosie sang, and that's Broken Top and the Three Sisters. And down the Deschutes River, Little Bird quickly paddled in a bright red kayak that wiggled and waggled. Cruising through the old mill past the 3 big smokestacks, an osprey dove down for its midday fish snacks. That's when Little Bird heard one big loud clap. What was that sound? The sound of a map. With eyes full of wonder, heart packed with delight, Little Bird's daydream came true as they flew out of sight. The beauty of Bend is the more you explore, the more you find joy outside your front door. But don't just stop there. Keep exploring your world. It's full of mixed colors, all layered and swirled. Uncover, discover the truth in your heart. Doing what you love is the best part. Imagine the wonders, the impossible, and more. Just like Little Bird, on this earth, you will soar. Where will you go? What will you do? These are little bird's favorites. Now point to yours too.